At Monroe, we got you. With a full line of application-engineered products, we're the trusted choice for aftermarket ride control solutions, and we understand the needs of technicians. Monroe has been delivering exceptional quality and service to distributors, technicians, and consumers for over 100 years. We're dedicated to having the backs of our customers with premium products, services, and coverage. We understand not every vehicle is built the same. That's why we offer a full line of ride control solutions for domestic and import vehicles, all engineered with performance, durability, and fitment in mind. Our innovative technology and engineering expertise support a broad shock and strut portfolio that meets various ride and handling profiles. Quick-Strut assemblies, OE Spectrum shocks and struts, Magnum strut assemblies, OE Spectrum shock and mount assemblies. It all starts in our hometown of Monroe, Michigan, where we design, engineer, and rigorously test our products. Our team of experts inspect for quality control and complete performance evaluations to ensure our shocks and struts offer reliable ride control for customers and fast, easy installation for technicians. Monroe goes the extra mile for you, our customer. From the widespread product coverage you need, to technical support at your fingertips to make the job easier, and brand support that delivers. We got you with value, quality, and support. Wherever you are, we got you.